My vacation is too long, so I don't have anything to do. And my hobby now becomes barbecue maker. Next time, if you're gonna do your own cooking, marinate it for maybe 30 minutes so that all the ingredient will sip into your meat. You have chicken, you have pork, you have... I have pork, I have drumstick, and I have the beef. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? It's barbecue time again. It's party every day. Oh, this is medium well, medium rare. Never stop. Always barbecue. Whew. This is my hobby. Omaha steak is from Omaha, Nebraska. Live. Oh, it looks like the pork is already. Man, you need to burn the fats. The fats in the drumstick. Maybe this is the last one that will be cooked. It never stops. Never stops. Okay, maybe I'll wait for a while because the meat on the back still not really. I still have a lot. See, I still have a lot. It's good pork, waiting pork. Oh, yeah, still have pork and beef. Hobby. Pork first. The pork, because the cook will sample it. I need Tabasco. Tastes good. This is the pork one. I'll try this. Medium rare. Medium rare. Maybe if you buy this from, if you go to the restaurant, it's dripping right now. That's a medium rare. Beer. Really satisfied, really. The taste. After whole day of work, this is my relaxing time, cooking barbecue. This become my hobby. If I have spare time, I cook barbecue. That's my hobby. That's the only thing you need to do in life. As long as you're happy, go for it. As long as you are satisfied, go for it. But if you're hungry, eat. If you like to eat, go to the market. Avoid eating the restaurant. The restaurant is so expensive. Perfect. You know, if you're the cook, you're the first one to try, right? This is what they're saying. Eat while it's hot. The same thing, the same principle that you enjoy during your visit to your favorite restaurant. This is a good combination. Tabasco, steak, barbecue. That's all you need. It's really good. Next time, if you're gonna do your own cooking, marinate it for maybe 30 minutes so that all the ingredient will seep into your meat. You have chicken, you have pork, you have beef. Marinate for 30 minutes so that you can really taste the flavor. Muy sabroso. So thank you, my friends. I'm just kidding because I don't have anything to do. That's why my hobby right now is just cooking barbecue. See you again next time. God bless. And I have to continue eating with Tabasco, of course. For me, the home cooked barbecue is the best. You can control whatever flavor you like. Love my barbecue.